What's up, guys? Crypto Richie here, hanging out with you today with a quick update on the Staker Class NFT. I think this project is way undervalued. We got, a good amount of holders. We're looking at about 601 owners, give or take. Only about 16 Ethereum volume traded. They're actually selling really, really cheap. Sales slowed down a lot over the past couple weeks, but I don't think it's a big concern. I think, the more and more people who become aware of this, and the more and more people start pumping I think it's gonna do really well down the line. I mean, if you think of OG CryptoPunks, they were given away for free, and it took a couple years for it to really blow up, and it just went berserk. And the whole NFT space right now is down in the gutter anyway, across the board. If you look at OpenSea volume, it's just down in the gutter right now. Everything's down. So I believe, people who are into Hex, Pulse Chain, Richard Hart ecosystem type of stuff, I really think the Staker Class NFT, the other update is, guys, they are doing a airdrop very, very soon. So let's go back here. From the Staker Class here. Everyone who's claiming a free Hex NFT, please be patient. They will all be airdropped sometime this week. And this was mentioned on October 3rd. Today's October 5th. Check it out. Richard Hart trending again. The movie's about to drop, I would say, pretty soon, hopefully. Look at this. Someone made a 0.01 ETH buy today. He could have gotten 3 to 4 off the floor. But, hey, I've paid a quarter ETH for one of mine. I'm not going to say which one, but I paid a quarter ETH for one of my Staker Class NFTs. Anyway, just a quick update. If you guys are into Hex, the whole ecosystem, the Pulse ecosystem, I highly advise you to just pick up a couple. They're so cheap right now. 0.038 off the floor. Let's look at activity. Not much activity in the past couple weeks, as I said, but still, I think, these things are crazy. One day you could have no activity, the next day you could have, 100 sales. It's really, really crazy once the word goes out with NFTs. The same thing, I was flipping OG CryptoPunks, and then I got into Punks on the Solana chain last year, and I did really well flipping Punks. I'm not saying you should be flipping these, but you do have the potential to flip these once there's more volume, more demand, more people buying, more people selling, right? Anyway, that's just a quick update for the Staker Class, guys. All the links will be down below for this video. I guess just stay tuned for your airdrop, because it's pretty much one for one. If you look at my other videos, I got more info on basically on the airdrop. If you have a female, you're gonna get like 5 NFTs. If you have a regular one, it's 1 for 1. If you have a Pulse background Staker Class NFT, you're getting 10 airdrops, and yada yada yada. So it's pretty much it, guys. Crypto Richie here, hanging out. Just a quick, super simple update on the Staker Class NFT. Your airdrops are going to be coming very soon. And guys, if you didn't get the airdrop, who cares? Just buy one. Just get one. Let's see what the floor is right now. Like in dollar wise, $51. So for $50, you could pick up Staker Class NFT. Okay. Hey, why not? I would pick up 2. Pick up 2 or 3. Sit on it. Who knows? Who knows what can happen? I believe in the Richard Hart ecosystem. I believe it's going to really blow up. And these things could potentially have some pretty good value. Anyway, Crypto Richie here, hanging out. Talk to you soon. Subscribe, share the video, comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you have any of these Staker Class NFTs. And I'll talk to you soon. Peace.